Okay, this is Monday's project. We had to dig into the hillside here by hand and install pipe for the foundation and for the downspouts. The downspout pipe is the upper one, the foundation pipe is that lower one. The downspout pipe goes a foot deeper than the foundation pipe, so then the foundation pipe goes into two 22.5 degree bends down to a 4-inch Y, and then it converts from triple wall, thin wall pipe for foundations and downspouts to schedule 40 PVC. And the reason that we switched to schedule 40 PVC is because cars are going to be driving over this, and the thin wall is susceptible to crush, whereas the schedule 40 is not. So we have 50 feet of schedule 40 out to this Y, and then here this Y comes across and connects into these other downspouts, and that other pipe down there is the foundation drain back here. And so we have the fabric cloth here because it's going to have some gravel out to the conversion coupler that converts from triple wall to schedule 40 PVC. And this is the downspout pipe out here, and it drops down next to the foundation, connects into the downspout pipe on this side, drops down level with the foundation pipe, and then we run those out to this other ditch here. So you see the pipes there. So those are gonna come here. They kick this way 22 degrees, and they will come over to that white rectangle or triangle in the ground, and that's where that culvert is going to be, that concrete basin with no bottom in it, just gravel. So there you go. That is today's project, and I tell you, that was a tough one. I had to do a lot of hand digging, getting that pipe down to a grade of slope, and gluing everything together. And the stuff is stickier than all get up, so I'm going to be cleaning glue off my hands for the rest of the evening. Okay, so that is it for Monday. Hope you enjoyed the show. I have an inspection set up for tomorrow morning, and we will have approval of the piping system, and they will cover the rest of the pipe and then continue with their gravel installation for the pavers. So you can kind of see how they're going to follow the curve over there, and then they will put more fabric across here and gravel 3.5 inches down from the concrete, the top of the concrete level. Okay, see you tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe, and please do like. This was a lot of hard work today, and I would like to have a like. Thank you.